Hello, beautiful people. Future me, maybe. Um, 821. Let's get into it. I'll start a timer already. Hmm. Hmm. 841, yeah, whatever. 841. I think after this I will play some game. What? I do not know yet. Holy shit. I have a lot of exercise to do. I did not notice. It's like 10 minutes ago. Okay. Holy fuck, like, where was this? Where did this happen? And how come it doesn't show here? So, 12 minutes ago. And there's a height rate. Okay, cheers. Why it doesn't show there? For the fuck's sake. What's wrong with it? 12 minutes ago, so that was 30 something. Is that when I was away? Damn it. Okay. I should figure this out. I would swear that it used to show here. Did I misconfigure it somehow? Or what had happened? Definitely. If I do reconnect, will it change anything? Disconnected, okay, great. What about connect? Am I here? Yeah. So that works, but how come I do not get notifications about... It used to be here. How come it doesn't show right now? Ah, fuck me, whatever. So we'll do this. Let me put a shirt on. Ugh. Besides other things. God fucking damn it, why it didn't show up? I thought it was showing. Apparently it wasn't. Is this showing everything? I don't know. It looks about right. Okay. Yeah, now I need a shirt. Or can I exercise here on the stream without a shirt? I don't know. I don't know how the rules are. We will be on the same safe side. If I would be a shirt, where I would be. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, so we'll keep this for as last. Hydrate, one hand push-ups and shit like that, okay. It's cool. Okay, that was level 15 squats. haven't done push-ups with a rubber band on me for some time, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, 1 minute plank should be all right. Okay. And hydrate. Cheers. So after missing those things and get that squared away, we can continue with Angular. Thank you. The exercise segment has been brought to you by the one and only Clash of Gaston. Keeping PGB healthy since, I don't know, for how long do I stream? Still recording it, huh? Okay. Whatever. So let's just get into it. Start the timer, that's a good start. And then... oh shit, I'm hot. Ah, here it is. Bootstrap component onto element. Or optionally to specified element. So component, this is optional. And it returns component reference. And here's not the selector. So you can use the selector. So anyways, we are going kind of far away from what we were looking at originally. Okay, so let's try to do that. So we will rock you. So ng generate service. What kind of service will it be? Service to. That's what I will do. Okay, so we have service. Oh, that's like user. Okay, okay. So that's stupid. So that's very stupid. That's very stupid. So we will delete you. Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. Maybe this, that, delete. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, and we will do generate, and this will be test 1. Okay, now if we do it that way, we should have that should be provided already. If we have a look at the app module, it is not here. Why is it not here? The users. Okay, so if I go to user service Okay, that's right. And here we will have a const some value equals this is test value in test one service. Okay, what's the problem? No line or semicolon. Okay. Now I want to inject it somewhere. Where will I inject it? Providers module, look at that. What the fuck? Now it should do fuck all. But if we go to where it was, what was the example? It was the last thing, right? I don't remember. Where is injected the other thing? Which I was looking at, the service. User service, okay, user service, okay, provide in, and we will have a look at usages, and that is in the app component. Okay, so we can do that as well. Private, what was it? Test one service, test, yep. And in the body, we could say test one service dot no, okay. Will it work? Hello from constructor. Okay, cool. And here is hello from the test service. What the providers are for, I forgot. If I use it as a provider, does it mean that I don't have to inject it at all? If I remember correctly. So for example, here, I did inject it in over here, right? Like, why do we do this? What it is? No, that was in the module. Add module here. If we have a look here, that's for the tree shaking. That has nothing to do. Or does it? There's the module. There's the component. What do providers do? We have the user service. Will it work even without it? It shouldn't. Looks shorter. I'm lonely. At least I feel lonely. uh, in life. I think I kind of did. Yeah, the providers. What was the providers about? Is it not like providing the route to the other thing? That's why they have. It also have providing the route. I kind of feel that in this, if I do this and that, and I save it, there will be no difference in the application. Reload it, behaves the same. Behaves the fucking same. So why did we do that in here? It seems to be uneasy. Am I crazy? So if I make sure that this, yes, terminate. It's the dependency injection project, and I do ngserve open just to be sure that it reflects all the changes. Sometimes it happens to me that it's kind of stuck with the previous version and does not acknowledge the changes which I did, but then when I kill the process and restart it, I can see my changes. So we did eliminate that, and I still see this. So those two lines seems to be unnecessary in here. Oh wow, that's sweet. Or they are not necessary just because you left import. Yeah, that's the thing, right? That's exactly what I was thinking. Like, if it's provided in root, if I do say provide in and the root, like it looks like it is unnecessary to do it. And that's like the example project given. It's not written by me, this thing over here. But import will be seen as unused. Oh, okay, okay. So let's see. So that was in the app component, right? And we have user service and test service. Maybe it's safer to have it named. What do you mean safe? It either should have the reference or should not have the reference to those services, right? Oh, that doesn't make much sense to me. Like, if someone removes the import, well, then you can, it seems to me, same like removing any other import, right? Removing this or that, yeah, it will lead to that is a good point. We'll do that. Now I did commented those. We have them provided in here, right? So we have a logger, we have the user service. So now I should save the project, and now if we have a look, it doesn't like it. It doesn't like it at all. And it says cannot find the user service and cannot find the test service. You removed not.import? What? I'm sorry, I do not understand. What I did remove here is this. This is the import. Okay, so but import will be seen as unused. Maybe it is safe to be named so that no one removes the import. Let's see if import statement does something. I think I don't understand what you mean. Because I thought comment alt provided and remove import from same file where module is declared. Well, the module is over here, right? App module. Here is the app component. This is where we just have been. So if we have a look at the module, there is the import statement which you are talking about. Nah, that doesn't make sense. Look. Or I think. So what is logger? And that, right? And it suddenly does not know the classes. Because this is that class, and that is that class. But we did verify that, so thank you for that. I do appreciate that, because I don't know neither. Why do we have that? Right now, I do not get... What if we remove the provide in statement in here, for example? Okay, doesn't like it. Okay, so we did remove the provide in at the user service, right? So let's see if that compiles, and it does. And I forgot what is it, what's in there. So this is the user service. Okay, I probably want to on the logger service, which will be visible in here. Or even better, I can do these changes on my test service, which I created, right? Might be more convenient. Okay, so we will shift to the test service. And we know that the test service works because we have this at the beginning. Hello from the test service and hello from constructor. So now we will do few things. At first, we will have a look in the module, and here we can currently see that we don't have the test service in here, right? So we do test one service, comma, and now we are in the same state as the other services which have been provided by the example. So we restart the application, everything works, right? So now if we go in here, I am interested in to know if this is actually needed. So now we do not have the provide in statement and the injectable, but in the module itself we do have that in providers. So what I'm trying to test here right now, if it is the two ways how to write the same thing. One would be to put it in the providers on the module, and the other thing is provide in and then the name of the module. We are providing that in. So let's test that. If that is so, it should still work right now. So let's see. And it does work. So now we will comment out the thing in the module in the providers field. So now it's not there, right? So I'll save that. Go to the application, and we have a problem. And that is when we are trying to inject it in the app component, which is over here. Yep, where is it? Here. This component cannot find it. Okay. So just to test again. So if we just say to provide in the root in a test one service, it will work. There's one way how that works, and if we remove it, it will be broken. Cool. If we go to module and we name it in the providers, it will work again. Only if the import is written. Only if the import is written where? Because if I have it commented here, and I also do not have it in here, and I go to the component, we can have a look that we still have an import in the app component itself for the test1 service, and it's not enough. No? So what do you mean? In module? The import is, I never removed it. I never removed the, so it was, so the import is there right now, and it's broken. It doesn't work. Is that what you were after? Like comment out import of test service, comment out provider, and leave provide in on service. Okay, cool. So I commented it in here. Then we have commented out the providers. Now we will go to the test service, and we will keep the provide in. Okay, so save that. My guess is that it will work. Let's see. And it does. So it seems like we do not have to have any mention of the service in the module. We can just say provide in and the name of the module. Or we can do it the other way around, just forget this and put it into providers array. But I thought there was a like difference between those, and that was like one was provided everywhere without you having it to inject it into the like subcomponents of the module or something like that. It kind of rings a bell a little bit, but I'm not sure about it. Anyways, this guy says that we are almost 4 minutes over the time for the round 821, so we are done with this round. Done is better than perfect.